Good morning! We woke up for sunrise and my voice is shot. But we made a friend. Look. Oh, so cute. He's following us everywhere. We're now heading out, walking around to go shopping, and then we are going on a sunset cruise. We're back and we didn't do the sunset cruise tonight. Good night. Bye. Thank you. Going sailing, sunset sail.
I would like you to introduce you my crew. Behind the helm, our Greek version of Brad Pitt, Mr. Carlos. Then we are having the second most important person on this boat, and he is going to be your bartender. Most important person here. He is the most important person here on the boat. He's going to be your chef. He is going to prepare the lovely dinner for you guys. So treat him good, otherwise you are going to stay hungry.